everyone. In this video, I will show you how to add a variable load to the boost converter that we built in the previous video. So what I did over here is that I added another load, which is also 30 ohms in series with the first one, and I added an ideal switch controlled by a pulse generator. The ideal switch can be found in the Simscape library under the power electronics section. This is my ideal switch, and the pulse generator can be found in sources. This is my pulse generator. Now I want my load to change from 30 ohms after 1 second to 60 ohms. So for the first second, the load will be 30 ohms, and for the 1 second after that, it will be 60 ohms. So I can do that in the pulse generator. Inside the pulse generator, I set the period to 2 seconds and the pulse width to 50%. So this way, the switch will be on for 1 second and then off for the second after that. And that's it. I'm also displaying the output of the pulse generator on my scope. So using the go to and from blocks tagged with D, I send the signal to the scope I have from the previous setup. And don't forget to set the simulation time to 2 seconds. Now I will run the simulation and open my scope. We can see that the boost converter is performing in the same manner as in the previous video, because the load now is 30 ohms as the switch is closed. At 1 second, the switch will open and the load will become 60 ohms. We expect that the PI controller will regulate the voltage and take it back to the desired output voltage, which is 36 volts, and the current to drop to half its current value. And this is what happens here. So the current now is, or actually the voltage is still at 36 volts, as we can see here in the cursor measurements. It is still at 36 volts, and my current before the switch was open was around 1.9, and now it became around 0.9. Thank you.